From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, a pretty healthy scattering of showers and storms across Acadiana today. Still not everyone necessarily seeing a good soaking, but hopefully you were some of the lucky few that did. Now, tomorrow we will see a few afternoon showers and storms, and then rain chances do look to be on their way down Wednesday through Friday. As a result, the heat's going to start to sneak back up on us, upper 90s to near 100, especially Thursday into Friday, but then perhaps another round of storms as we head into the first half of the weekend. So we'll take a look at the extended outlook in just a second. First off, here's the upper level pattern, and we've been watching this upper level low for the past couple of days. It's been just off to our west, helping to draw in Gulf moisture, creating atmospheric lift. So it didn't really take a whole lot to help get some showers and storms across the region today. It's going to start to depart tomorrow, but again, still some rain chances. But what's going to be moving in its wake is some drier air for the middle and latter parts of the week. As mentioned, pretty good scattering of those showers and storms earlier this afternoon. Some of those storms producing some heavy rainfall, quite a bit of lightning, but all of that has since come to an end. Power Doppler 3 showing a clean sweep late this evening, so no real issues for the rest of tonight. Temperatures mild. We've already dipped into the upper 70s, so we'll say mid to upper 70s by tomorrow morning, and then partly to mostly cloudy for our Tuesday. Quite hot, low to mid 90s, got up to 93 here in Lafayette this afternoon. Wouldn't seem like much, but considering we've been in the upper 90s to lower 100s for the better part of this summer, it's the small victories for sure. So low to mid 90s tomorrow afternoon. Think we'll see again a few of those scattered showers and storms for the second half of the day. And again, any storm that gets going could put down some brief heavy rainfall, so we'll be on the lookout for that. Otherwise, activity comes to an end prior to sunset. Wednesday starts out mid to upper 70s, and graph model probably a little overdone here come Wednesday afternoon. We'll bring rain chances down though to around 20-30% overall. Coverage of green not as widespread as the past really today and going into tomorrow. Temperatures responding a little bit hotter, mid to upper 90s, and then a northerly wind's going to try to sneak in Thursday into Friday, and that'll send temperatures soaring upper 90s to near 100 for the last 2 days of the week. Quickly out in the tropics, two areas of interest. One has come off the African coast that has a 60% chance to develop over the next 7 days, but that is going to remain out in the open waters. No concern there. And then we have another system right out ahead of it. Has pretty much a 100% chance to develop in the days ahead. In all likelihood, it's going to become the next tropical storm of the season. Hurricane, probably major hurricane down the line, and we can track it here with the European model. Again, it's going to be on a westward track initially throughout the week ahead. As we head into the weekend, it's going to near the Caribbean islands, and notice the isobars. They get a little bit tighter together, indicating a strengthening storm. Hopefully this misses the islands just to the north. And then thereafter, steering currents may get a little weak, but model still hinting that this is going to try to make a northerly turn sometime down the line, say in that 7, 10, 14-day range, but we're talking almost a couple weeks out. So still plenty of time to watch, and East Coast will probably watch it a little bit closer as well over the next several days just to be sure, but it doesn't look like it's going to be a threat to the Gulf of Mexico nor us here in Acadiana. Mid to upper 70s tonight. Most of us easily push low to mid 90s tomorrow afternoon under that partly to mostly cloudy sky. 77 your projected low tonight. Showers have pretty much again come to an end for this evening, so no major issues otherwise. 93 will be your projected high tomorrow. Mixture of sunshine and clouds, scattered primarily afternoon showers and storms at around 40%, but not everyone necessarily going to get wet. Southerly winds will come in at around 6 to 12 miles per hour. 20 to 30% into Wednesday, a little bit hotter, 97, and then rain chances 20% or less. Thursday, Friday, we're near 100. Believe it or not, those 2 days, upper level disturbance tries to push through on Saturday. That should give us another decent scattering of some showers and storms at around 50 to 60%. Overnight lows next few nights, mid to upper 70s, but could be trending towards the upper 60s to lower 70s toward the second half of that 10-day forecast. Darcy.